This is OBI. This is home page. Contact information. Now let's demo with Google sign up. Signing with Google. Scope. Privacy policy. Terms of service. Continue. Now login completed. We got only information, email ID, name, or Google ID to, for uniqueness. No other use in Google sign up. Second use implement Google Sheet integration. Insert a record. Now follow step. Google Sheet integration. Name with Cygnus. Google Sheet. Same parameter scope. This is my information. Privacy policy. Terms of service. Continue with Cygnus. Advanced service. Same privacy policy. Term of service. Google account. Connection. Share data safety. Continue. Now test demo. Basic prompt set. Google Sheet. Copy URL. Paste. Connect sheet. Select sheet. And extract variable. Set. Save configuration. After we check one demo, separate sheet is clear.
Thank you for using your demo account. Please upgrade to a full account to remove this message.
Hello. Welcome to Abernathy Car Services. How can I assist you?
I want to book a car service.
Hello. I'd be happy to help you book a car service. May I have your name and phone number, please?
My name is Cygnus. My phone number is 75671979996.
Thank you, Sidnus. Could you please confirm the date and time you'd like to book the car service?
Tomorrow 10 a.m.
Got it. Your appointment is scheduled for tomorrow at 10 a.m. If you have any questions about our opening hours or location, we
No,
are...
thank you.
You're welcome. If you need any further assistance or have any questions in the future, feel free to give us a call. Have a
No,
great day.
thank you. Appointment date, caller name, caller phone number, appointment time. Only we add a record in separate sheet. No other use. Thank you.